The Expropriation Act has ruffled some feathers.
It is a direct attack on the constitutional rights of South Africans. We have obtained a legal opinion that the expropriation bill is unconstitutional, and we will fight this dangerous legislation by every means possible, including the courts.
The FF Plus says President Cyril Ramaphosa did not consult other GNU partners before signing the expropriation bill into law. It says a couple of days earlier, it wrote to Ramaphosa requesting him to refer it to the Constitutional Court to determine its constitutionality. But the president responded by saying it complies with the Constitution.
This act now does create certain circumstances where your property can be expropriated without compensation. The Freedom Front Plus has always objected against this principle, and we believe that it is unconstitutional, and therefore we will now take this act to the Constitutional Court to determine the constitutionality on it.
The ACDP also says it is disappointed that Ramaphosa promulgated the legislation despite widespread opposition to it.
Whilst supporting restitution with full compensation, we have consistently opposed expropriation of property without compensation, which will now be permitted under certain circumstances in the public interest. We believe this act will undermine investor confidence as it poses a severe threat to private property rights.
The ANC caucus has defended the act, saying it's a step in the right direction. The party says it rejects the notion that the act is disadvantaging certain sectors of the population.
Those who have taken a position that they are going to court and challenge the bill, we are of the view that their action is intended to keep the status quo and to consolidate a legal regime, which, as was designed in 1975 in the case of this bill, had nothing to do with the interest of the majority in our country. And the ANC will await for those who do so and stand ready to oppose them.
Rise Mzansi has welcomed the act. In a statement, the EFF says it rejects the act, adding that the only democratic mechanism to resolve the land question is amending Section 25 of the Constitution. Lula Mamatya, SABC News, Parliament.